Rendering. Rendering is the process of drawing a scene on the screen. Using the mesh, which is the 3D model or the geometry, textures, which are the images or the materials, the UV maps, and camera view, like the camera view perspective, the camera position in the white space, and lighting, and post-processing effects like bloom or depth of field. All of those combined are what we call rendering. We can understand rendering more when we divide it to two steps: geometry and rasterization. In the geometry step, we draw the mesh. A mesh is a collection of triangles. For Unity, a mesh is represented by a vertices array, a triangles array, a normal array, and a UV array for mapping a texture to the 3D model. It is important to note that in Unity, we are dealing with a 3D environment. However, the application will be viewed as 2D images on devices like phones or computers. This projection from 3D to 2D is what we call rasterization. In the rasterization technique, the 3D environment is being processed through different filters and buffers like the Z buffer and the stencil buffer, so the output will be an image with different pixel colors to give the illusion of 3D. It is worth mentioning that there is another rendering technique called ray tracing that is available on Unity.